Hi everyone, welcome back to the AWS series. In today's video, I will be explaining a complete end-to-end data pipeline architecture using AWS Glue, ETL, and Athena. If you are working with data engineering or preparing for AWS interviews, this architecture is very important to understand. So let's get started. So in this video, I will walk you through how data flows step by step from raw files to the final query result. So what will be the step in my demo? So the first step will be uh, I will upload one CSV file, okay, to the S3 bucket, and on that I will create one crawler so that this crawler will scan data from S3 and create the data catalog table. Okay, so yeah, after that I will create one ETL job. ETL means it, so ETL means it will extract, then transform, and then load the data. So this will be the fifth step. And after that, once ETL job run, it will store one Parquet file to the S3, and again we will run the Athena query through the crawler on new Parquet file from the S3. So let's quickly go to the S3. Okay, so this is the CSV file which I am going to upload, which contains a 5 user details with user ID, name, age, and city. Okay, so I am quickly going to the buckets. I have already created one buckets. Under this bucket, I am going to upload this CSV file, add files, users. Yeah, so this file I have uploaded here and uploaded. So now step one is done. Okay, so what? Raw data S3 bucket. Now I am going to create a crawler. Let me quickly go to the AWS crawler. AWS crawler. AWS crawler will be under the AWS Glue. Okay, so there is one feature data catalog under which we can find the crawler. Create crawler. Let me give the name of user crawler. Next, I am going to add a data source. Browse, browse. This is my bucket name where my file exists. Okay, add here S3. Okay, next. I have already created one role where I have provided two permission, AWS Glue permission and S3. If you do not know how we can create role, you can watch my previous videos. Yeah, this is the role which we have created here earlier. Okay, I have created one database as well previously, but I have deleted, I think. So let me create quickly one database. Demo underscore user. Okay, this is a database. Create database. Okay, database has been created successfully. Refresh. Demo user. Okay, I have choose the database. Next, this is all details about our crawler. Create crawler. Okay, crawler has been successfully created. Now let me run this crawler. It may take some times to run. Currently it is in running mode. Okay, now you can see my crawler has been successfully completed. Okay, now I am going to the ETL jobs. Before this, let me quickly go to the document. We have uploaded CSV to S3. We have created one crawler. Now we need to check the table has been created under the data catalog table or not. So before creating this, let me go to the tables. All right, we have created one database that was a demo user. Here you can see through the crawler one table has been created. That was the table name is uh, this Raw Demo Bucket 2017. So now I am going to the ETL jobs. Okay. Now I am choosing visual ETL. This is little complex process. Just try to understand. First, I am choosing the data catalog. Okay, because we have a table in our data catalog, right? This is our source, right? Next, now we need to transforms. So I want to apply one filter, okay, on this data catalog. But before applying filter, let me add some sources to this. So what was my database name? That was the demo user. And what was the table name? This was my table name. All right. Yeah. So this is done. And now I am again click on plus icon. Here you can choose the filter, what filter you want to apply. Uh, filter, yeah, filter. You have apply. Once you double click on it, you can see here everything. You can see the output schema of your table, right? If you remember, we have uploaded this table CSV, user ID, name, age, city, and now you can see this schema is automatic loaded here. Okay, now I want to apply one filter where I want to filter those user whose age is greater than 25, whose age is greater than is 25. So I went to the filter, choose this AWS data catalog. You need to apply a filter on this and add a condition. So on a condition, you choose the age, choose the operations greater than, right, and age you are giving the 25. That's fine. All right, now we have applied the filter on the data catalog. Now I need to store this filter data somewhere, right? So for that I am going choosing one target, which will be the S3, Amazon S3. And now I am giving node parent. It will get the data from filters. Okay, and it will store in the form of Parquet and giving the file name. So let me go to the S3. Under the bucket, let me create a folder, that is a output folder, you can say, and create a folder. All right, go to the output. Currently it is empty. Now I am giving the path of this S3. Go to the browse. Under this bucket, you can choose the output where this Parquet file will take place with filter data. That's fine. So in a picture you can see we have a glue data, right? So glue data means all the tables, which this, all the table data. After the table data, we have applied one filter, right? In our case, we have applied age is greater than 25, and we have stored this Parquet file into a S3. Okay. So now let me save this. Okay. Give the name of this job. Let me give ETL underscore user underscore job. Fine. Let me save. Mm, yeah, job. I think job hai. Job details. What is? Oh, I need to choose the role. So I am choosing the same role. Yeah. Now save. So I have created one ATL job. Let me go to the ATL job portal. ATL job dashboard. You can say ETL job dashboard. All right. Let me refresh. So one job has been created. Now we can go to this ETL user job. Okay, run this. It is running, right? You can go to the run to check the status. It may take some time. So now you can see that my ETL job runs successfully. So let me go again to the GitHub page. So it stores, let us check it stores this Parquet file in S3 or not. So let me go to the bucket output. Yeah, here you can see it generate one Parquet file for us. Okay, what else we need to do after Parquet file? We can create one crawler again. Okay, let me go on a run, create crawler. Where are you? Crawler. Okay, why we are going to create a crawler? To see the data which we receive after transform from the ETL job. Okay, so create crawler, transform user crawlers. Okay, this will return the user list after filter, which is in our case age greater than 25. Next, add source. This time, what is your source? Your Parquet file. You need to go under this bucket and you need to choose your output folder. That's fine. Add this. All right. Next, create IAM role. You have already created one role. You just need to choose a database. I am choosing the same database, demo user. That's fine. I will again run on demand. You can choose based on your requirement. Next, this is the crawler details which I have configured. So now I'm going to create crawler. Yeah, crawler has been created successfully. So let me run this crawler. I would recommend you please watch my previous video related to AWS crawler, or I have already created independent crawler videos, right? Yeah, so I have run the crawler. It may take some time to execute. So now you can see my crawler ran successfully. So now let me go to the tables again and let's see how many tables are with my database. My database name was demo user. Now you can see there is a two table, one table, another added for the output. Okay, let me go to the Athena. All right, let me go quickly. Athena. Here you can choose your database. That was a demo user, and there is two tables already there, right? So let me select history from output and control A, run. So now you can see the list of user whose age is greater than 25. So here is only, right, three user, Aman, Sneha and Rohit. So you can see in my CSV these are only the three user, right, whose age is greater than 25: Sneha, Rohit and Aman. Okay, so this was the way how you can apply the ETL jobs, how you can transform your data, right, even after uploading from your CSV. So this is the end-to-end flow, right? It is the real example which is used in industry, IT industry, for data, for managing the data. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions regarding this, and I would suggest you please watch 2 to 3 times this video because it is little bit complex, right? If you are watching first time it may confuse you, so it will be great if you watch this video 2 to 3 times, and also watch my last two videos related to the crawler and AWS. Okay, that's all for this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment on this video. And please click on the notification icon if you want to see such kind of videos. Thanks you very much.